Hey, what's going on, subscribers? This is Flaming Profits here with this quick video. Today I will be talking about top 2 stocks you need to buy to make money. These 2 stocks are swing trade positions that I see great value in. I want you all to let me know what you think about these stocks. I'm hoping to build a large position in both of these because I definitely see value in them. And I want you all to keep in mind 2 strategies in order to successfully swing trade these positions. Let's take a look at my portfolio, and I'll show you guys the first one that I see a lot of value in, and it'll be Nvidia. So Nvidia has been almost at $240 around last year, but it recently had a huge sell-off. It almost went in half, and that had to do with the demand not being so high for high GPUs. Also, Bitcoin made Nvidia really popular because a lot of their components made mining a lot easier. And since there was not that much of a demand for it, the stock went down a lot. As you can see here, it was at 240, 280. And then it dropped significantly after that. So as you see, it's starting to recover. But the most important thing is to watch the stock closely for weeks, months, as it starts trending upwards. And whenever you see that it's strongly forming that uptrend pattern, you can slowly start adding to your position. But just make sure if it starts declining or going down or breaking that pattern of trending upwards, make sure not to buy so much of it when it's dropping. Only buy as it starts trending up, because this will make your account grow. And yeah, so there's a buy and sell rating. It's a very good company, and I definitely see a lot of value in this. They also have a dividend payment. I think right there was 15 cents a share. So as long as you maintain this swing trade position, you'll be collecting dividend payments. And now I'm going to show you. I'm not now going to show you the second position. This is ATVI, Activision Blizzard. This is a gaming company that produces many popular titles such as Call of Duty, Black Ops, Warcraft. I don't remember all of them on top of my head, but we'll go through them in a second. So this shows the graph, and this is kind of the same story as the other one. It was really high in dollar value, but then all of a sudden had a huge drop, and it went down 50% from the highest peak. And now what we need to do is watch the stock closely as it starts sort of forming a foundation where it doesn't drop from its point, and it starts trending up from there on, and we can add more shares to it as it starts trending up. Yeah, there are the titles right there: Call of Duty, Diablo, Warcraft, Hearthstone, and Overwatch. These games are very high in demand, and as they get better, the sales should keep up, especially now that we're getting more advanced with our gaming technology. I don't see this as an industry that will suffer big time. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep these 2 stocks in your watch list. Watch them closely throughout the several weeks. And if you feel confident in these businesses, I would highly recommend investing in them. I'm going to show you closely the max charts. I like using Yahoo Finance for this because Robinhood doesn't have this feature. But as you can see, ATVI is a very good stock. Throughout the history, it's always has been trending up. It wasn't until recently when it had this decline. But it's a very solid stock. I don't see any investment in this company being bad. Same with Nvidia, as you'll see. There you go. Nvidia did have a more dramatic growth in less years, but it's still a very good stock. And as you can see, It's a very uptrending pattern that it has. We should take advantage of cheap prices like this. And I did want to show you this one last stock. I know I said two, but I found also value in this other one that I'll show you in a minute. Alright, so this last stock that I wanted to show you all is Boeing. I don't know if you guys have heard of this stock, but it's been really popular in the news recently. They had two airplanes that they manufacture that have crashed recently, and this has been causing the stock to go down dramatically. They're not really sure why the specific model of the plane crashed, especially two of them. It might be a manufacturer defect that the planes have. They're not really sure at the moment, but this news caused the stock to drop almost $50 to $40 from its highest peak that it had. And I see this as a great buying opportunity because Boeing has had this issue before where they had sort of a defect on their product, but on the long term or in a swing trade position, I see a lot of high dollar value benefit from you buying this stock at this price right now. It is really cheap for the company that it is, and it does offer a dividend as well. So I see a lot of value. The reason why the stock price drop is mostly because people get scared and they sell their shares because they feel like the company might slow down or it might cause an issue with their overall performance. But honestly, this is just a great buying opportunity. And like I said, just watch this stock closely over time, and then you decide if you want to invest your hard-earned money in the stocks. Just because I'm telling you, it doesn't mean you should. Do your own diligence, your own research into these stocks. That way you can make your decision. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe to my channel for more investing videos. Please like and comment down below if you have any questions for me. Thank you all so much and have a great day.